Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad. It's Sunday evening, and you know what that means? Your weekly planner. This is what the weather map's going to look like on Monday, and as you can see here from coast to coast, fairly quiet. Big storm system out in the Atlantic continues to head off in that direction. Notice these red dashed lines. That's warmer air pushing its way north. So those of us in the Midwest and the northern plains and even down in Texas, we're going to start the week off on a very nice note, above normal on temperatures, some snow in the Rockies, and we see a storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest. Seattle, Portland, looks like you're going to be seeing some rain with snow in the higher elevations. But you see this L there in the Texas Panhandle? That's the one we're going to have to keep an eye on, because as we head on into your Wednesday, notice what happens. It really intensifies. We're bringing up a lot of Gulf of Mexico moisture, heavy rains possibly, and even a few thunderstorms possible for the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. But I believe the dynamics for severe weather is going to be concentrated mainly in Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. This could be a problem for you come Wednesday night and on into Thursday. So I'll be back with you on Tuesday to give you an update on how things are developing for you there. But those of you up in Wisconsin, looks like you could be under the gun as well. There could be blizzard-like conditions for you come Thursday. So as this system moves towards the northeast, we'll keep an eye on it there for you as well. Very strong gusty winds with a lot of snow possible. Snow in the Rockies, drying out along the west coast. And Florida, once again, you will be the Sunshine State. Heading on into the end of the week, right around Friday, notice what happens. This area here does weaken somewhat. Again, I think the severe weather will be in this part of the country. There will be some beneficial rains along the southeast and down into Florida. The center of the system will move into northern Indiana, someplace right around Fort Wayne near Indianapolis. In fact, it will continue to move up. But in the meantime, it's going to possibly bring some blizzard-like conditions again for Wisconsin, northern Illinois, portions of northern Indiana, and as we head on into Michigan. That's going to be the latter part of the week. We'll keep an eye on that. It's also going to bring down some colder air. So we're going to start the week off on a mild note in this part of the country, but then we're going to end it on a relatively chilly note. Drying out in the Rockies, here comes the next system slamming into the west coast. I think this one not only will give Washington, Oregon some more rain, but I also believe it's going to bring some more rain and snow, especially to the higher elevations of California as this system moves across. So overall, not that bad of a week, but I will update you again on Tuesday on possibly some severe weather late Wednesday night and again on Thursday. Have a great week, everyone. I'm George, the Weather Dad.